What's it called? A mukbang?
A mukbang.
Mukbang. Bang. Yeah, mukbang. You know what it is?
We watching it the other day.
I heard somebody call it mukbang.
That's what I said. Mukbang. But what is it called?
Mukbang with a G. Mukbang.
What's up, YouTube? This is Daddy
And daughter
Vlogs. All right, today we're doing a Papa John's mukbang. We have spinach pizza,
And then this
pepperoni and sausage, and then we both are drinking clear American. So we gotta say our grace first. So y'all ready to say grace?
Yeah.
God is great, God is good, let us eat the far food. Amen.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. Oh, make a happy plate.
You gonna make a happy plate?
Yeah.
Alright. So Jayla wanted to make this video because we haven't made a video in a long time because I've been so focused on my videos. So maybe we'll get back to making videos. What you think, Jayla?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's it? Just yeah? You know when you do a mukbang, you're supposed to talk. What? You got pepper?
Yeah.
This is not gonna mess up your stomach.
So, Papa John's, guys, to me, pizza is my favorite food. I just love pizza.
Ew, what is this?
Here's the cheese. Oh, that's sausage.
That girl do not like toppings on her food.
What?
So, I love pizza. Pizza is my favorite food. I eat pizza, honestly, every day. I bet you she won't notice. Watch. She had to go pee-pee. Yeah, so we haven't made a video in a while because I've been focused on my channel. And this girl over here don't like to talk when we do videos. So, cause she's kind of shy. Oh, here she goes. Yeah, pizza's my favorite food.
Did you start recording without me?
No. Oh, look, everybody. Jayla got braces too. See her braces go. Yeah, see?
I think it's purple. I was gonna do red and blue for 4th of July, but my mom said no. I wanted to do it. Did you eat my slice?
No. You ate, Jayla, I didn't eat. I'm eating my pizza. You can record the camera if you want. I ate your pizza.
So if I go back on the tape and look, if you had to. I don't remember taking a bite.
It wasn't me. Yeah, like I said, pizza is my favorite food. My favorite pizza company would be. Dang, that's a good one.
Mine's Papa John. No, yeah. Mine's between Papa John's and Pizza Hut. I like the Pizza Hut because they have like the Alfredo pizza.
Mine has to be. Mine is Domino's. The reason why Domino's is my favorite because the crust is off the chain.
I never had Domino's.
Second would be Papa John's. I remember I was scared to eat Papa John's at first because I didn't think I was gonna like it. But the reason why I don't like Pizza Hut, I like Pizza Hut, but I don't like it because it's too greasy to me.
True.
So I don't know. Every time you eat a pizza, you see a big old circle of grease sitting in the pizza.
I've never seen that. But it'd be greasy in the box when you take the pizza out.
Oh, what are you talking about?
I don't know. But from Papa John, this is my favorite pizza. This is what's this pizza called? Spinach Alfredo?
I don't know. Ask your mama. She's sitting right
Is this
there.
spinach Alfredo? Yeah, this is my favorite pizza. This will be my second best.
And my pizza too.
You gotta get some of that garlic right there, you know what I'm saying? You dip that crust in there.
I can't even eat crust.
Not me.
Not you. Eat that crust, you know what I'm saying? Like that. Ooh, drip drop. You gotta brush your teeth afterwards because your breath smell like booty.
You talking to me?
Oh, I'm talking about me. When you eat garlic, your breath stink. Well, guys, the bad thing about eating pizza though, on the healthy tip, it's very fattening. It's too much bread, too much starch.
Thing is, when you eat pizza, it's so good. You have to have seconds, and then when you get seconds, you get full, and then when you have dessert, it's like too good.
Oh, so what's for dessert?
Dessert, we got small cakes. Small cakes is like the best.
Honestly, I'm already full.
That's a lot.
Whoa. We recording, so you gonna blast me like that? So are you considered a foodie?
What is that supposed to mean?
People who like eating food. No, you're not. Your mama is though. With her.
Oh,
Mommy, is on it.
So, Jayla's mom, guys, I'm gonna show you. This is how you know she greedy. I ain't never seen nobody in my life eat food the way she does. So when she takes a piece or something, this is what she do. Look, I'm gonna do it from the side. So most people go like this, right? Excuse me. Most people go like this, right? They go like this, right? That's how most people put stuff in their mouth. Now this is how her mama put stuff in her mouth. This is how you know the woman. When I first met her, I said this woman gonna bankrupt me because she's greedy. So this is how she eat. Look, check this out. Y'all ready? So you see the first time. Look at the hand. Look. She makes sure she get it all. You know what I'm saying? So that girl greedy. I'm surprised I ain't broke yet.
oh,
You finished?
no.
See? F.A.
Hey. Okay, I'm good.
Put this one back. I'm full.
I say the best for last, which is this one.
Technically, I don't be full. I like to drink a lot. So I have to save room for my... Whoa. That wasn't me.
Wasn't me either.
So I have to save room for my beverage. And Jayla, so Jayla bad habits of eating, guys. This is how she drink. This is exactly.
No, let me tell you.
No. Yep, that's how she drink, and this is how she eat.
True. Well, it's good, so you have to like get every single part of it. Make sure you're not missing out.
No, if we was in the woods hiding from bears and we was eating, we'd be dead because of Jayla. Well, how much cheese you gonna put on there? Whoopsie, Daddy had a poopsie. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
So if you wondering what a happy plate is for us is basically you finish.
Excuse me.
Basically, you finish everything off your plate. Like you have nothing else on your plate.
This is gonna be
We
the
call it
most
happy plate.
inappropriate mukbang. How you say it? Mukbang.
Mukbang. Bang.
Mukbang. I thought it was muck, not mud.
I said muck.
Oh.
Mukbang. Sound weird. The food's so good. I promise you, if I had a choice to pick food every day that I wanted, I'll be fat.
You have cupcake. Well, wait.
Oh, go get the cupcakes. So, what we have for dessert
It's so good.
is called small cakes. I don't know where they're.
What's small cakes?
I don't know.
Open it.
Dang.
Look, say hi, Giselle. Hey, YouTube.
Hi, Julie.
So, it's called small cakes. I don't know wherever they're located, or all the
is
places they're
good.
located. But that's all the stuff right there.
Me and Giselle, favorite strawberry.
Oh, I hope that one on cherry is mine. No,
Mine.
it's not. Your mom got me a strawberry.
No, that's me and Giselle's.
Which one you give me?
The one's cherry.
You said you want no chocolate.
So you got me that coffee looking one?
And vanilla. It's vanilla.
Oh, why do I like it like coffee?
I don't want no milk.
So you want a bite?
Okay.
It's super good.
No.
You want to reject my favorite pizza like that? Can you try it, please?
No.
So basically, this is the cupcakes. They probably cost like $5 a cupcake.
Chew it. So YouTube, is it good?
Seriously.
Was your pizza good, Giselle? Oh, excuse me.
But other than that, guys, I think that we're gonna drop the video here. It's already been like 10 minutes.
Cupcakes.
Unless y'all want to see us eat the cupcake.
That cupcake gonna be good.
Can I have that cherry?
Yeah, you can have a cherry.
Yay.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Mommy.
I like cherries.
Mommy.
Can you give me my cupcake?
Mama.
Oh, I'll do it. No, let me do it.
No, I want your mama to do it.
I can't.
Oh, really?
Get.
You supposed to hold your stem.
Oh, I thought you were gonna eat that too.
What?
Take one.
Excuse me.
Mommy.
All right, guys. Come over here, Giselle. You want to say bye to YouTube?
Okay.
Okay. Come on, let me wipe your mouth first.
Bye, to
Hold on, you gotta wait. All right, YouTube. This is the end of the vlog.
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
What was that?
So, this is Daddy
And daughter.
Vlog.